Hi, I'm Mayo Davison with Space Foundation. At this year's Space Symposium, NASA Deputy Administrator Pam Melroy discussed our path to the moon and beyond, paving the way for sustained human space exploration throughout the solar system. Colonel Melroy's career in the Air Force is nothing short of extraordinary, marked by a series of leadership positions in national and international agencies. Notably, she is one of 2 women to ever command a space shuttle. Stay tuned for an exclusive preview of her presentation.
Those of you who have heard me speak before know that I always start with the why chart. I think it's critically important for us to make sure that we're always focused on the benefits to humanity that civil space provides. So starting with, of course, science front and center, our understanding of the universe, our understanding of the solar system, that we can only achieve by retrieving samples, studying what's happening throughout the solar system. Understanding the climate can only be done from space at scale. We can measure terrestrially, but if you want to see the Earth as a whole system, you have to do it from space. Second, national posture. So those are the national science and technology capabilities, critically important. I've got lots of great examples of spin-offs, but some of them have had a tremendous effect on the ability of our country to do critical work going forward. One of my favorite examples is that software engineering as a discipline didn't exist before Apollo. NASA essentially had to invent it. And of course, we know what happened next. That had a transformational effect on our capability in this country. And finally, inspiration. I don't think I need to tell anybody in this audience how inspiring space is, but it really has proven to have a completely unique capability, especially to inspire the next generation, that other seed corn for us, the students of the future. We know that when we talk about the work that we do to students, how it inspires them and excites them. And we are thrilled that through our Artemis program, we're going to provide opportunities for girls and students of color to actually see themselves in the future. Because if you can see it, you can be it. One of the major things that we did this year as well, I announced our initiative last year talking about the Moon to Mars strategy and our objectives development. We did a tremendous amount of work consulting with industry inside the NASA workforce and our international partners to refine that strategy and, more importantly, to refine our objectives as well. Those objectives will be what we need to focus on to ensure that humanity can move from the Moon to Mars and beyond. These objectives form the wireframe, as we call it, which connects and advances our goals to move towards humanity's next frontier. And they set the foundation for the architecture development that I'm going to talk about today. First of all, the goal, the bumper sticker is what we call this. Our goal is to create a blueprint for sustained human presence and exploration throughout the solar system. We believe this is what the American people expect of us. This is what we have dreamed about for years, decades, maybe even millennia. Going out to explore, because after all, humans are a society of wanderers and explorers. It's in our DNA. We are ready, and we're excited about where this is going to take us, and we can't wait to see the next crew suit up to go to the moon on the way to Mars.